Hi, I'm Nick Driftwood, filmmaker and Panasonic LUMIX ambassador.
Hi, I'm John McGregor. I'm a product trainer with Sennheiser.
So what is a microphone? We're going to be going through the types of microphone and the patterns that they employ.
So this is a cardioid microphone, and we're going to show you how the microphone picks up sound in space. Cardioid picks up really well from the front. It drops off to the side and completely rejects from the rear. And what we'll do is we'll turn off from the lavalier microphone I'm wearing, and we'll listen to the sound source here. So as I walk around, you will hear the sound drop down quite dramatically at this side, and as I move to the rear of the microphone, it should be completely and utterly gone. And then once again, obviously, as I move back round to the side and then back round to the front of the microphone should pick me up properly again. And this is what we mean by understanding your polar patterns. Once you understand how your polar patterns work, you can make some great decisions of where you place them and how you work with them to reject sound and to capture sound. So this is our Omni microphone. Obviously, an Omni microphone picks up in 360 degrees. We're just going to go straight for it and move around the microphone. Realistically, obviously, I'm a little bit further away now, so that there will be a volume drop, but you should still be able to hear me nice and cleanly as I move around the microphone. And beyond the actual distance changes, the microphone should be sounding pretty good all the way around. And that's the point of an Omni microphone, is it will pick up sounds completely all around the microphone. So this is one of our Supercardioid microphones. We sort of mentioned earlier, Supercardioid has a little bit of a bubble at the rear, so it's very similar to the cardioid microphone. It cuts off a little bit earlier, so roughly about this angle, but then at the back there's a little bubble of sound. So once again, let's do a little bit of a walk around so you can hear exactly what it sounds like. So obviously, here we are on the front. As I move to the side, we'll get a difference, and as I move to about here, this is pretty much the entire dead zone here. And I move to the rear, there should be a slight pickup here, very, very slight. And then as I move once again round to the front, you should hear once again that the front of the microphone, as always, is the best position to be in. So this is our final microphone. This is a shotgun microphone. As we know, this is a low bar. It's very, very directional to the front and pretty much will roll off very, very quickly as I move to the side. So I'm going to do the walk around so you can have a look. And here we go. So as I move to the side, it should be pretty much instantaneous that it's losing me. As I come to the rear, should be very, very little sound apart from reflections. And then as I come round to the front again, we should start to pick me up around about here. And then I'm back on the front and it should sound absolutely gorgeous. So, we showed you these polar patterns and we allowed you to listen to them this time because once you understand exactly how the microphone is picking up sound, it gives you a better opportunity for working with them and picking up the sounds that you want to without picking up external sounds that may interfere with what it is you're trying to record.
Panasonic.